Welcome back, guys. This is our fifth session. In this session, we're going to work on an interface. So, first, we have to define what is an interface. An interface describes the set of operations that are possible with a module. So, from our previous session, we worked on a shape. We had subclasses of a rectangle and a square. So, currently, we are going to make up an interface. Guys, you must know that an interface is not a class, and an interface is a reference data type. Okay, so guys, I want us to quickly do this. An interface consists of two members, which is the abstract method and the constants. So I want us to look at this again. From our previous session, we've done this, but then I've added two. Okay, this is a class and this is an interface. So I want us inside this interface to have the following: to get all the shapes that are there, then we'll process the method in there. So this uh process interface, it is going to implement the shape interface, and from there we will get all the shapes that are available. Then we'll work on to the front application. Let's do this quickly. Yes, quickly. Okay, from our previous session we had the following: we had the front end, whereby you have the source, and then we have the test application, and the backend we have the following. Let's open our notepad. Okay, new. Okay, it's enlarged. So okay, let me close this unnecessary things. Mafoko systems. Okay, save. No, don't save. I'll save the other time. Okay, this is what we had previously. We had a rectangle, a shape, and a square. A square and a rectangle, they are both a shape. So let's continue. We are going to make up an interface. An interface, remember, is not a class. So we'll say public interface, interface, interface. It is shape, class names, shape interface. This is an interface. Then in here, we just go to have one method that is going to get all the shapes that we have. Public, so it returns an array, get all the shapes. So the method, don't pass in anything there. So this is our interface. Let's save it. I'm gonna save it. Let's say desktop exercise. Okay, be working on exercise 5. Check it on uploading. Backend, we have src tpg. Okay, shape, I'll store it here. I'll name it as shape interface. That's correct. Shape interface dot java. Okay, while also in here we cannot have uh the logic inside an interface. So the logic, the coding, the functionality of how this thing is going to process, we are going to make up another class that is going to process the shape interface. Let's make sure we have public class is a class process okay, process interface. It's fine. Interface, it implements shape interface like so. Now here, this is when we make use of the method, this method. So you can copy it, copy, then paste it in there. Paste. It's a public, it returns array of shapes. And okay, let's create. Okay, for now let's just return null, and let's save. We're going to save this as process interface. Process interface dot java. Okay, this is fine. I want us to compare the first one that we did and see if everything is okay. cd back, cd back. Here we have the src, so we start compiling here. Java tpg shape process interface, no shape interface dot java. Take the output to the classes folder. Enter. Okay, it says that it can find symbol type of shape. We made use of shape and we did not import it. So let's import shape. Import where is shape? So inside there. Shape. And let's also have this thing inside our package. It is always safe to do so. Shape, save it the same way, and here dot shape. Okay, let's compile it again. Okay, it's compiled. Now let's go to the process interface. Process interface will also go to have it inside the package. So package jpg, and as we have also made use of the shape, so we must import shape. Okay, so now in here I want us to create an array, maybe okay, of two shapes, which is a square and a rectangle. Okay, we'll do that, which is shape array, which is shapes equals to new shape that will store in two values. So I say here shape at position 1 index 0 is equals to a new rectangle. I use the default constructor there. Use the default constructor. Then let's make up another one for a square. It's equals to a new square. Then in here in a square I'll pass in 50 as our length, and then I return shapes. Okay, this is fine. To appreciate it. Okay, let's compile it. Jack shape process interface. Take the output to classes. Okay, it says that cannot find the symbol. Let's import the following: a rectangle. I define it. Import rectangle dot rectangle, and then the other one for a square, which is we have to import a square. Okay, this is fine. Have a command prompt, and let's compile the process interface. So it compiled, meaning it's fine. Let's go to our test application, which is, I believe, no, this is the backend, front end, source. Let's save it inside of our notepad. Okay, this is what we have done so far. I want us to remove everything that we've done. Okay, so we are going to create an object of process interface, which is that process interface. Let's say process. We call this a process. Is equals to a new process interface. So inside a process interface, we have the following method. It says get all the shapes. So I want us to get all the shapes, which is process interface dot get all the shapes. What does it return? It returns to us shape array. So let's say an array of shape, and then we call these shapes. So this is good. So from here, I want us to work with the shapes that we have inside. Okay, for now you only have two, but then you can add more to test on your side how this thing works. Okay, I'm going to create a for loop so that I can find the length of how many shapes I have. I cannot just assume that yes, I have two, but let's make use of a for loop. Int x is equals to 0 when x is less than the shapes array dot length, and then we increment our x. So if let's make only one object of saying shape is equals to shapes at that position, it should be x. So in here we want to check if this shape is a rectangle or a square. How do we do so? Let's see. If shape is an instance of a rectangle, then I know that I'm working with a rectangle. Okay, this instance of is a keyword in Java, so it is used to compare two objects. If this shape is an instance of a rectangle or a square, just an object, it compares, as you say, if a string dot equals then the other object on the other side. So this is the comparison of objects. You use the instance of keyword. Okay, so now let's check if this thing is a rectangle. If it is a rectangle, let's display that. Let's make a display there. Let's display that. Show message dialog. Let's display that this is a rectangle. Dialog passing null, and then over here I'm gonna say this is a rectangle, meaning that I'm working with a rectangle. So what can you do with a rectangle? First, as we know that we're working with a rectangle, we first have to downcast from shape to a rectangle, so that we can have all the methods and fields that are within the rectangle, that are specifically within the rectangle. I think it's good if you have it that way. So we are going to create a rectangle rect is equals to, now this is what you do to downcast an object from where it is to the specific values that you want. You'll see in here have a rectangle, then what are we downcasting? We're downcasting shape. So shape, that is fine. So inside the rectangle we can do the following. Let's declare there, let's have double area, okay, double perimeter, double the length, and double the width, of course. Okay, so inside the rectangle we can be able to get an area, perimeter, the length, and the width. So let's get the length. Length is equals to the rectangle dot get length. So, and we are also able to get the width. So the width is equals to a rectangle dot get the width, which is fine. And you're also being able to get the area of that rectangle, which is rectangle dot get how did you say that method? Just calculate area. Okay, calculate area, save it there. Calculate area, we're also able to calculate the area, and yes, from here we can display. Let me copy that to option pane, then I display. Say okay, first we display this is a rectangle. Now I'm going to display the I'm going to display the length of the rectangle, the width, and the area. So let's say the length is, then I'm going to have the length there, and once more want us to go to a new line. Let's get to a new line, and we are going to, okay, this is fine. Inside of the new line we'll display the width. The width is okay. Again, go to the new line. On a new line, I'm going to display the area. The area is plus area. So this is fine. Close off. Close our message dialog. So let me quickly test this and show you, because as for today we don't have much time. I'm sorry. Okay. Everything has been compiled from our backend classes. So let's go to our front end. Okay. Cd to our front end. Okay, so from here get to the src folder, then java take the output to classes, whereby I will be compiling that. Let's compile. um Says the following: cannot find simple shape, cannot find simple that. Okay, first let me save everything to see jack. Okay, says that is expected get all the shapes. Okay, semicolon missing. Let's compile. It says cannot find those certain symbols, the rectangle and so on, and yet you find. Okay, did import rectangle. Shape is there. Okay, let's set the class path. Clear the screen. Set class path. Backend classes. Then you set your class path from there. Okay, now let's compile. Okay, it says cannot find the following symbols, which is process interface and process interface. Let's see. Okay, process interface. Where do you have it? You have it inside the package, so you must import it. Import, then process interface. And which other? Cannot find the symbol of the width. Oh, typed error there. Don't know where I was. Okay, it's fine. Any other? Okay, that's fine. Let's clear the screen and compile. Cannot find symbol. Line number 26. Let's go to that. Line number 26. Here we are. Then that's fine. Let's compile again. Okay, so now it has been compiled. Let's see whether it is working or we have been coding gibberish. Yeah, whatever they say in that language. Yeah. Okay. So off. First message says this is a rectangle. Wow, this is nice. It's a rectangle. And then with the rectangle we're able to get the length, the width, and we're also able to calculate the area. So this is good. We haven't worked on the square side. So okay, it ended. So guys, please make use of the instance of keyword instead of using you'll find the following. You can find maybe like shape dot get class is a method inside an object that says get class. Then you'll be saying like equals to maybe a rectangle. Please do not code it this way. This is not a programmer. No. That isn't a programmer at all. So please guys, make use of the following, not this. No, this is not this. Don't appreciate that. No, not here. Okay, so now we are able to get a rectangle, but then remember I made use of two two shapes. So guys, for the last one, guys, please let it be your homework. uh do it, test it, and actually see how downcasting works from its shape to a rectangle. Because remember that we said that every object in Java inherits from java.lang and .object, the object class. So you can start testing the usage of downcasting from the object, meaning you have java.lang and then the object. Each and every Java object is inherited. It inherits the Java object. This is why you have to override the toString method. And then from here, as we are working on shape, so meaning we have shape, and from the shape, inside of shape, we are having the following: a rectangle or a square. So guys, please do make use of the instance of, it's really good to help you. Because I remember during my first last test, I forgot that I, yeah. But then, guys, I'm here to assist, no matter how. Ne? So, thank you for watching this tutorial session, and do your homework. Don't forget it.